afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video for November 2nd, 2016. It's about an hour and a half before the close. Basically today, the market is selling off just like I've been warning literally for weeks. So right now you have the ES is down 21. They were just down 28. A little overbought in a downtrend. NASDAQ down 57. The Russell down 17. Bonds, just like we've been predicting, reversing and up 12 now. You have the industrials down 145, SPX down 20, transports down 60. So what were we talking about? Before we go into all these, I just want to show you what we do on Simpler Stocks. So I'm pretty proud of this in here. Is for your $7 trial that's for 30 days, you get a chat room you get from 9 to 10 in the morning every morning. We go over strategies. A lot of these will work fantastic. We have a premium video much more in depth than what you're hearing now. This is probably 4 or 5 minutes. That was 22 minutes last night. We have the forum, which is a message board type of way to communicate between me and subscribers or subscribers with each other. Meetup is a learning series. We basically, once every about 3 weeks, do an hour seminar about creating your own scans, ATR trailing stop. They go into the learning center there. They're about an hour each one, and they're free. It's not all extra. It's all included in your subscription. As you see, a tremendous amount of them we put in here. But what I'm the most happy with is the email alerts. Every night or in the morning, I put out at least 6 stock trades and chart ideas, about 6 index and futures charts, and I post unusual option activity that combines unusual activity combined with the overall market feel. These have worked fantastic. One thing I want to show you in here I'm very proud of today. Number one, I'm going to move this over and I want to show you the ESs. This is the ESs falling off a cliff right here. Second thing I want you to realize is go back to the stock trades. Guess what? All I've been doing is showing shorts. Look at my big bear list over the weekend. Check this out. 54 stocks to bet on the downside. I guess when the market is down 200 points, I bet more of these work than not. Really proud of that, but there's another thing I'm happy about. You go into here and you look at the index and futures charts. This is what premium subscribers pay the big money for. Look right here. Watch the divergences. That's from last week. Check out these charts. These are FinViz charts. Those are free. I decided to show these charts to illustrate the ominous divergences setting up. The TF has decisively broken down. See that? While the other U.S. indexes are still above important trend lines. Also note the bull wedge on the VIX. I want you to notice this. I want you to notice this and notice these two. I also want you to realize that I'm showing that the bond market worldwide are spiking. Yields are spiking. That's a real dangerous situation. Also, look at the bonds down here falling apart. What's that mean to me? That usually the market follows bonds. They are directly correlated. Now, contrast this right here, and this, and this, and then let's take the NASDAQ 100 today. Check that out. Since I posted these, look what the market's done. Wedge, broke it. ESs, falling apart. TFs, well, I already showed that as a breakdown. All the way down here. That's what I'm telling you has been working fantastic ever since we started Simpler Stocks. So to give you an idea in here where we could go and put the ESs up here. And I've been showing this relationship for literally a month. Go and put the daily ESs. And the theory is that our market the last 4 years has been powered by low yields. Overall, the ESs by so many different valuations is overvalued. But it's not if yields are at 300-year lows. That's why if the bond market sells off, which makes yields go up, it becomes particularly problematic for an overvalued ES. That's why when you see the bonds doing this, down to where they were in February, right here, right there, that's like the SPX or the ES's going to where it was in February. Where would that be? ES's February 1st, let's say the end of February. Right in here. 2040, 2050. See the midpoint of the bonds when they rallied in January 16, they consolidated in this area, and now we're in that area of consolidation. That's like the ES is rallying, being in this area of consolidation. Guess what? 2080. We've been talking about 2080 on the ES now for literally a month. It's worked just to perfection. Those are the kind of insights that you get in there. And the reason that I show you the futures markets is if you see the market teetering on the edge, it's a heck of a lot easier to lean short on 54 different stocks than to find 54 longs. So I hope this helps. Like I said, we still have the $7 30-day trial. It's been very profitable for literally the thousands of people that have taken us up on it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. Take care.